Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the Disney Sorcerer's Arena game. So this is going to be for all mobile devices, whether you've got Android, iPhone. It's going to be the same type of process throughout. So first of all, you're going to want to go to your App Store, whether that's the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store. You're going to want to click on there, as I do, and then you're going to want to go to your search bar, like a little search bar on the bottom right hand corner for the iPhone here. You're going to want to type in Disney Sorcerer's Arena, obviously. Might autocomplete, you can click the autocomplete version, if not, type the whole thing in. And then you want to click search. And then once you've clicked search, it's going to come up, as you can see here, this is what the logo looks like, etc. So you're going to want to click get on that, or whatever it says on the Android. It's going to be the same type of thing. And then it's going to go around for a little bit. Then particularly on iPhone and maybe on Android, you're going to want to click install there, and it'll say done. Then it'll start downloading, and it will depend on how good your download speed is. So it might only take a few seconds if you've got good download speed. If not, it might take a bit longer. But also, there is a link in the description below to the Google Play Store download link for this, and the App Store for the iPhone and the iPad, etc. down there in the description. To click on that if you don't want to do it this way. So it's, you should be able to get it done whichever way. So you download it, then you can either open it like it says on here, or you can go to your app screen and then scroll to it and then click on it just like that. So once you've clicked on it, there you're good and ready to go through and play the game from there on out. You can take out all them things there. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen for see more how-to videos. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.